Peeled Mandarin painting tutorial for you to try with watercolors. An outline drawing is done and is available for download. Can remove the excess amount of graphite off. Prepare color mixes, adding water to palette, Indian yellow, with little touch of Sennelier Red, for the second mix, Winsor Orange, with transparent yellow. Third mix, Winsor Orange, with Indian yellow. Then I need another mix for darker parts of white areas, which I will have the same yellow mix which I have on my color palette and adding blue violet. Taking brush with fine tip and with very transparent color mix, a first mix where is Indian yellow with Sennelier Red. I'm starting slowly adding this color between white areas which are visible on the Mandarine, and very transparent, slowly with the tip of the brush adding watercolors. Area is very small. I'm not watering it before applying watercolors. I'm going straight with watercolors. Area is very small, so no need to really work with water before. Cover all the areas with the same strong and mix of these watercolors. No need to make it more darker or lighter. We will add with another layer, darker layers to those areas which are in shadow. So now just placing color where it should be on the Mandarine. Very transparent, very thin and watery layer. a little bit stronger to the right side of the mandarin, which is completely in the shadow. A little bit darker going here. Now wait till it's completely dry and erase all the graphite marks. Yellow pigment is very transparent and all graphites can be very seen through. So now when it's completely dry, you can erase all the graphite marks so they won't be visible. Taking darker mix of Winsor Orange and transparent yellow, and that middle part of the mandarin, the center part where is the visible deeper area of this mandarin, color it with this stronger and darker color mix. Now going for the second layer of that area which is completely in the shadow, the right part of this mandarin, using mix of Indian yellow and Sennelier Red. Working with the tip of the brush, slowly adding layer after layer to get richness. Adding finishing touches to my Mandarine painting. Very nice subject to paint, to practice, a little bit tricky, but still this is the season when this is a really nice time to paint this fruit. You can still continue to work on this, and I will finish here. So thank you for watching, thank you for being here. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. See you in my next tutorials. Thank you, bye bye.